Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Master Professor from SNS College of Technology. So the air which enters here, okay, the air which enters here will always be a cold air. Okay, so what happened here is the cold air just enters the system. So, due to the absorption of black body, the overall surroundings will become heat. Okay, so it will absorb the air, will become hotter, and it will absorb all the moisture of this object, and then it will come outside as hot air. Okay, so this is the overall working process of a direct solar drying. Okay, so when we come to this direct solar drying, the main thing is we know that it consists of a transparent mirror, a black body, a insulation, and a two valves. Okay, one is to inlet the cold air, and another one is to exhaust the hot air. Okay, so this is what direct solar dryer is. Okay, now let's see the indirect solar dryers. Okay, yeah. Now indirect solar. Okay, the components and everything will be same. Okay, now let's see the overall construction. So it also consists of a frame, okay, which we call it as a transparent glass or it will be a transparent frame, and after that it consists of body frame, and here the food are placed in level basis. Okay, so we have different types of levels. So the food will be placed here. For example, there will be one, and we have different level, and different objects are placed in different things. And here we have additional one system where this is also made up of transparent mirror or something. And what happens here is here it consists of two outlets. Okay, so this will be the inlet. Okay, so here this is the place where cold air, okay, this is the place where cold air enters the system, and in the system we know that already it consists of okay, inside the system we know that we consist of black body, okay, and as we see in the direct solar drying, it also have the same insulation. Okay, so the cold air will enter into the system where the sun radiation will be absorbed by the means of black body, and the entire system will become heat. So what happens is the heat will remove the moisture from the object, and then it will send outside as a hot air. Okay, so the comparison between the first direct and indirect solar is here we can place it in a different level, and the additional border this system is what we call it as indirect solar. Right. Thank you.